Hey guys, this is Mrs. Carr, and today is Friday, May 8th, and we're going to keep this short and sweet. If you've already gone to the curriculum for today, you know that there was no Friday, so we are staying right here in Schoology. And you're going to watch, if you didn't watch the Camel adaptation song last week, you missed it, so you can watch it again here. And then you're taking that weekly formative assessment, the quizzes here. And that's it for today, guys. That's truly short and sweet because it's Friday. Hey, y'all have a good weekend. If you have questions, please let us know. Feel free to utilize Teams. You can video us. You can chat with us. You can ask us questions, whatever you need. Please utilize that feature. And if you don't know how to get to Teams yet, make sure you watch that video, that how-to video posted in Schoology. All right, guys, y'all take care. And y'all have a great weekend. Short and simple, guys. Y'all be good. Bye.